What's going on, guys? It's Friday night. Just got done with a little scrimmage for football, and me, Sturmy, and Nate are headed to Rush tomorrow morning after football practice. I got the CRF 250R loaded up. Bags and everything are packed, and heading over to Jake's house to put all the bikes and the quad inside the enclosed, but that's what we're working with right now. A little bit of carnage from the race. This kind of lost a little bit. See, this is what the radiator is supposed to look like. Perfectly straight. And this one got a little bent. I went down on the tires the first time. It was awful. The valves weren't the hottest in the race, so I was kicking a lot, and didn't get the best start, and somehow took 10th. Don't know how. And Marcus was last off the line too, and he took 4th in quads. But yeah, I'll catch up with you at Jake's house. All right, boys, we made it to Sturmy's house. This is what we're working with. Nice little enclosed. We got some drinks, firewood, gear. There's the 2 stallions. Sturmy's being a good boy and getting firewood.
One Italian stallion and one Japanese stallion.
Yeah, Sturmy's on a brand new, pretty much, KTM 350.
Ow.
Oh, nice. Anything to say?
Yeah, we gotta go to football in the morning.
Deep.
Get that bullshit over with, and then we'll be on our way to Kentucky. It's about 4 hours.
Oh yeah.
Go pick Nasty Nate's quad up here in a little bit, and hopefully we'll get some good trail riding in. I don't know what the conditions are like, but it's supposed to be good weather, so
yeah, it should be pretty cool. We'll be sleeping in here too. We got 2 cots is what we're gonna be setting up in here at night, and we'll see. Boys, we got Nate's quad ready to rip in the AM.
oh yeah.
Football, and then straight to Rush. All right, boys, Saturday. Just got done with football, munching some breakfast sandwiches. Picked up Nate Dog, and
We're getting ready to rock and roll.
we got about 4 hours and like 10 minutes. It's supposed to have us getting there about 4 o'clock, and we're gonna make a gas and ice stop, maybe get some food down there, and probably get there and hopefully to be riding by 5.
That would be nice.
Yep. So
Dinner and chilling.
anything to say, Nate?
Negative.
He's ready to ride. We're all itching to ride.
I'm gonna fuck every single one of your friends. And once I fuck them all once, I'm gonna fuck them all again. Cause he just said he's fucking around on me, and now I'm gonna get my revenge. So I'm gonna fuck every single one of your friends. First I'm gonna fuck Florence, cause she's such a fucking flirt. Then second comes Shirley, cause she likes taking off her shirt. And then I'm gonna fuck Beth, cause she's got bad breath, and a little more nut won't hurt. And then I'm gonna fuck Faith Fourth, cause I ain't never fucked in church. I'm gonna fuck Heather just cause she's so
choking
fucking
on.
hot.
Not good.
And then I'm gonna fuck Liz cause she likes jizz a lot. And then I'm gonna fuck Rose, blow a load in her nose, cause she's so dumb she'll think it's just snot. And I'm gonna fuck Tina just cause she's got such a big fat twat.
We're in Kentucky. Boys, we made it. Boy.
That was a hell of a drive, but we're here.
Lots of rain on and off, but we made it.
Are them forces on that?
Forces? Boys, we made it. Shoo. Long ride.
All right.
Rain.
Well, it wasn't bad, it's just long. A lot of straight ass shit.
Raining.
It's raining,
Yeah, it's
so
raining.
we'll be getting out there. We gotta get Nate's tires back on the bead. We had to air them down, and they went down so far to shut the tailgate, so I'll have to fix that up.
Yeah, there's some razors going around.
I mean, I got no service.
Yeah, there's no service nowhere. But we'll see what we can film tonight. There's a little tire section over there. Looks pretty cool.
Right.
All right, here we go. Popping the bead on.
Pump it up.
Got both tires on. We're ready to ride. Rain's cleared up.
Like a reef.
We got blue skies coming.
Buttery.
I mean, it's muddier than all out here.
Buttery.
Been riding for about an hour.
A little muddy.
It's
A little sweat.
Sturmy dang near got killed.
Yeah, I got the damn thing ran over my dirt bike. It was a KFX.
A bit new KFX. We were both hauling and
Ran my front end over.
yeah, he broke his disc guard
Pissed me off, and then he backed up over top of it.
over the tire. I mean, he was an absolute
I think
idiot.
Like 4 inches before my damn.
Yeah, it
boat.
was pretty scary.
Yeah.
How's it?
I mean, it's a little slick, a little muddy. I
Yeah,
got a brand
real
new
muddy.
tire, and I'm still absolutely.
yeah, I'm running about 2 psi in my tire right now.
I got traction
Two.
control on too, and she's still.
Oh yeah.
On the right.
Do a little burnout for the film.
Nah.
Nah.
Yeah, they're in the slick.
Mhm.
Ripper. Light 'em up.
Nate's about to light them up for the views. There we go. Thing sounds like a queef.
Yeah.
Oh, that hill down there is super steep.
Whoa.
Oh! No!
Not good.
Deep. What happened, bud?
Ran up the tree.
Nate was playing in the mud.
Thought he was a red goon.
All right, we found a little hill climb. Nate's about to hit it. Oh, here's a 1,000R Talon. We may have just witnessed the funniest thing that happened. There's a big drop right in that right rut, and Nate just rolled his quad twice in it.
Should never even did that.
Headlight. Show him the headlight, Nate.
That ain't good, boys. The Raptor's off to a rough start.
Yeah, he's rolled it 4 times now, or 3 times.
Huh?
Yeah. Twice there and 1 back last time I filmed.
Your, bars are- if you straddled it. I was trying to straddle it.
He held on the brakes. The front tire went and he just went. How's the new bike, Storm?
Ride real good.
Traction controls helping him out in this mess of a trail.
Put it in your back pocket.
You get hurt at all, Nate?
No.
Or dialed? 3-3-0 boys dialed. Cruisy.
You gotta get a better view of that because it looks just like it's straight downhill.
That's all it is, just a little downhill.
Yeah, the dirt bike is a little downhill.
It was a drop off. The camera doesn't do it any justice. It's like a 3-foot drop off right there. Just a little carnage report. You see that radiator bent a little bit. This one just bent it, went down hard on the rocks. Sturmy's hitting some jumps. Hey. Nasty Nate, one headlight. It's a little playground area at Rush. I'm trying to get a little airlift. It's storming the billing. We ride. Not the best showing. And ran over, but here we go. I mean, Nate is getting mean air. That thing is clap. Come on, Nate, rip a donut. Get nasty on the rafter. Hell yeah. It's been a pretty successful day of riding. We just went and jumped in one of the, I don't even know what you call it, ponds probably? Yeah, something like that. We just went and jumped in the pond. We all rinsed off. It's pretty refreshing. Laid mine down a couple times. Gurmy got ran over by a Kawasaki side-by-side and he nipped that off. So nothing too bad there. And then Nate's in the porta can, but an absolute new one out. I mean, what would you rate the riding so far?
Slippery, but it's fun.
Super slippery. We got a whole truck, all the stuff in here.
We gotta get them steaks out. Them things are frozen solid still.
Yeah. Having steaks for dinner because we're bougie like that. And I don't know, probably mix up some mashed potatoes or potato chips, something potato.
We got no mashed potatoes.
How would you rate your bath in the pond?
Well, I'm drying my hair off of socks.
We were highly unprepared for this.
Something was nibbling on my damn ass.
We got razors going up the hill right now. We'll catch up when we're chowing down on some Wagyu. We met these people in a Jeep. Huh?
Tell me to go like that.
Wheeling a 1 of 15 Jeep. Hey! Thing's 1 of 15, ultra rare. Look at that. We got razors, we got everything. Dude, this thing, apparently it's a 1 of 15 Jeep. And he's out here scratching it up, wheeling it, running it through the grass. This dude ain't got no care in the world. And they're bumping some tunes too. I mean, if they want to get it muddy, you let one of us drive. We'll show them how to do it. We backed them all the way up to here. About to hit it. Here they go. Oh!
Pull up with the gang, you know that we banging. What is your shit, nigga? What is you claiming? I am a beast, you cannot time it. Don't point a finger, this shit can get timed. These niggas
Nasty Nate hooked up, brought a girl out in the thing. Raptor's running one headlight. Met these people in the Jeep, gave me a little ride around. These are the folks.
Sending it, son.
Oh yeah, she got on the quad with Nate. But yeah, we're heading back to repull and back to camp. Catch you there.
Yes. B-roll shot.
Your face is so greasy.
Not fucking. Oh! We need to fucking get him back.
This video is the sleeping arrangement.
We just had some fucking deer steak.
Oh, our stomachs are hurting.
I'm good.
Mine's bubbling. It ain't good at all.
Carnage on the quad.
Oh,
Man, show on the clutch lever from up above. I mean, that's alright. I mean, other than that, she looks like an ass. And then we got the reverse switch. I don't know. It's just loose. We'll get a new one when we get back. And then seat's a little dirty.